Hello Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Welcome to my channel Intuitive Serenity for the Soul. My name is Yvette and this is your timeless bonus reading. A little reminder that this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone, so please take what is for you and leave the rest behind. If you would like a personal reading personalized just for you, all the information is in the description box below. Would love to do that for you, Sagittarius. Please go check out that information. Also, I want to take a quick moment here for gratitude and say thank you all so very much for all of your support, for commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. For those of you that have booked a private reading with me, thank you all so very much. I am so very grateful for all of your love and support. And I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So I meditated over your energy, and I have divine guidance here and messages for you from the Fairy Temple Oracle deck, clarifiers from the Luna Soul Tarot, and also from the Star Temple Oracle deck. Additional divine guidance and messages also up here for you from the Divine Abundance Oracle deck. And at the end of the reading, I'll be pulling out an extra message and guidance to add on to your reading. I want to welcome you once more, Sagittarius. Thank you so very much for joining me today. First message here for you is guidance. When you make divine intelligence your foundation, you finally have a fixed star to follow. Yeah. So really being guided here towards your truth, towards your true calling. You're being awakened to something new here, and you're being guided to it, okay? So opening up to this, focusing on it, accepting this transformation, this huge shift, huge shift here in your life, that is really taking you towards what you were meant to do here, okay, in this lifetime. So it's in alignment with your true gift, and how valuable it is. And so getting to develop it and learning, educating yourself, and growing it, all right, as you go. Next, you have courage. Let me be open to courageously take the steps that are shown. Yeah, so it's gonna require you to embrace your courage and strength to move forward. Believing in yourself, okay? There's something here that might be different. You might be doing something different, something unique. But again, Spirit is showing me that they're guiding you in the right direction, okay? So being extremely courageous moving forward, and doing what calls at your heart, okay? Not worrying about anyone else. You need to do you at this time. All right, next you have loss. Sometimes you learn true offering through loss. You make a passionate invitation for love to take over and bring her own plan instead of the ego's. So again, you're awakening, okay? You're awakening to your truth. You're letting go of the ego mindset, of the old beliefs, and the fear. Okay, now you're being awakened to what is true, what is valuable to you. Again, Spirit is right there with you. You're being guided. Trust it, okay? Have no fear. Be courageous. Continue to follow your heart, okay? And that growth. All right. Let's see what other messages Spirit has to add on here. You have Heart of the Rose. Connection, Seeds of Love. Judgment. 3 of Discs. 8 of Wands. The triple star grid. Align. I connect and align with my higher consciousness. Beautiful. With that, you have also the morning star, radiance. I shoot for the stars. Radiance is my birthright. Gorgeous. So again, following your intuition, following that North Star of yours, you're really focused on something here, and you're about to answer your calling, okay? With Judgment, you're being awakened to your truth. Again, you're awakening to your true gifts, your true values, and now it's time to step up, take responsibility for what you were brought, what you were meant to do here on this planet in this lifetime, okay? There's a gift, there's something very valuable within you, and you need to express it, you need to connect with it and bring it out to the surface, okay? You're very aligned with spirit, you're very aligned with your higher consciousness, so spirit is working through you, okay? Again, this always comes up for you, Sagittarius. You're a clear channel with spirit. There's something very spiritual here that you need to connect with, your gift. You have a tremendous gift within you. Tap into it. All right. The 8 of Wands. There's an open door here. There's a focus. There's a dedication. And because of that, things are going to start happening for you. You're going to start receiving a lot of calls, getting a lot of attention, receiving emails. I see you really being a part of a community here with this 3 of Discs. This is something that is in alignment with your success, that is in alignment with your skills, something that comes from you, that no one can take away from you. And so it's very valuable, okay? People are seeing the value of your work, of your gift. So people are going to want to purchase whatever you have to offer here, or partner up with you, okay, and support you. And so you're creating your own community. You're part of something that is very passionate to you, is really expanding your horizons, is opening your mind and heart. And so that's when you will start reaping the rewards of something amazing here. Okay, so follow your heart with this new path. Go after your growth. Go after expansion. Go after learning, and embracing your truth. Again, you have a tremendous connection with your spiritual side. And so, again, you're a clear channel with spirit, and through you, the divine is working beautifully, okay? With this new path here, because this is like an awakening here, a new beginning for you. When you continue on this path and you remain focused and dedicated, you're going to be very well known for what you do here. You're going to be admired. You're going to be supported in many, many ways, okay? You're becoming a star. You're becoming very well known. You're shining bright for others, and others see your qualities. Others sees your gift, your value. And because of that, you are going to really shine bright, okay? All right, let's see. Next, you have perception, yearn, intuit, sense. Gorgeous. Another very powerful intuitive energy there. With that, you have the 9 of Wands, the 8 of Swords, the 9 of Pentacles, the Page of Wands. With that, you also have the Priestess, embody. I am an embodiment of the divine feminine. Excuse me. Gateways of light, infinite. I have unlimited access to the divine mind. Gorgeous. You're very powerful, Sagittarius, okay? Extremely powerful. Your intuitive abilities are sharp. They're reliable, okay? Depend on them because they are sharp and they are very true, okay? you've been through a lot in life, okay? You're coming across like a warrior here. No matter what happens to you, you rise back up again, you figure it out, and you keep moving forward. You're a fighter. And so you're coming out of some sort of false belief, something that you were entrapped in, and that no longer serves you. Any false beliefs, mindset, situation, that needs to go, okay? You need to come out of some sort of false belief here and enter into the new. This is something new for you, and so it's all how you perceive it, all how you see it, and again, it's taking you towards a transformation, a new shift and change in your life. So you have to be curious, learn. Again, connect with your emotions, with your heart, with this. Spirit is all around you. They're communicating to you. You're learning how to receive the messages here. This is something very new that I'm feeling, okay? So it's something that you're going to build little by little. You're going to continue to grow it, develop it in a beautiful, stable manner. Whatever you're doing here, again, is extremely valuable. You're becoming successfully financially independent doing this. Creating it. Creating something that allows you to live a comfortable life financially. Allows you to be, again, very independent when it comes to building your security, your stability. And it's doing something that is in alignment with your truth, something you love. And, you know, you're going to create enough blessings and abundance that you're going to be able to live comfortably, have more than enough, also to contribute into other things, investing, growing even more, and giving back to your community in some way, shape, or form here. So with this new beginning, you are having a new opportunity, a new offer here with this Page of Wands to head towards this new adventure, okay? Looking at your life through a different lens, and coming up with new ideas. I mean, it's like you're entering into a new world, all right? Into a new path. And so you got to see it with a lot of excitement and passion. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to develop this, and it's so very much in alignment with your heart's desires. Very exciting. So here you're coming across as like the high priestess here, okay? The priestess, or the priest, whoever's watching this reading. So you're embodying your truth. You're creating. You are the channel. You are the one that are assisting others, guiding others. It's extremely valuable, okay? You're balancing your masculine and feminine side here beautifully. And you're in control here. You're so well balanced that you're one with spirit, okay? And so you make the decisions with your heart. You really connect with the divine in a beautiful manner. There might be also a partnership here that is like-minded, that mirrors you, but I'm seeing this more like you balancing both sides of you in a beautiful way. So knowing that you have that gift, okay, to channel in, to connect with spirit, and help others heal, help others with the unknown. Whatever this gift is, you're helping heal other people. All right? So tapping into it, opening up to it. It's a new journey. Believe in it. You got what it takes. Next, you have pleasure, delight, embrace, open. Gorgeous energy. With that, you have the Four of Swords, Death, Queen of Discs, Four of Discs, Queen of Cups. With that, you have the mirror. Reflect. I hold the mirror up to see, accept, and love all of me. The little star, divine. My inner child is whole and complete. Gorgeous. So going after what you're passionate about, what brings you pleasure, what delights you, something that is opening your mind and heart to something new, to curiosity and learning and exploring, okay? A lot like the Page of Wands here. It's a lot like the same energy. All right, that's your energy, Sagittarius. So being adventurous, it's time for you to stop and reassess, okay? Reflect on the past, learn the lessons. You're becoming clear about life. You're becoming clear about how to move forward now, how to make better decisions, how to see the reality of life in your situation. Okay, so reflecting on the past, learning the lessons, so like that you can break a cycle that hasn't been working for you for a long time. It's time to break a cycle, become aware, so you can head towards your victory here. Okay, so meditating, going within, healing what needs to be healed, releasing what needs to be released, so you can embrace this new life. Okay, there's a death and a rebirth here. The old you is dying and you are being reborn anew. Okay, so you're not the same person that you were before. Now you're awakening to your truth. So now you're more stable, more grounded. You are a creator, a manifester. All right, you're building your own finances in a way that you're very skilled at. Okay, there's something here that is very fruitful. All right, very fruitful. With the Queen of Discs, you can handle more than one thing at once. And it's just like whatever you focus on, whatever you create, whatever you develop is going to flourish. You're going to know how to handle it beautifully. So here you're coming across as an artist, a creator, a manifester, a healer. Okay, with this Queen of Cups, extremely intuitive energy. Okay, this is Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces energy. You also have Scorpio here, okay, with the Death card. So you have a lot of that intuitive ability within you. Follow your heart, follow what you desire here, what makes you happy. You're going to grow into your spirituality in a very stable, solid foundation. You're going to make a living out of this. Okay, whatever this is, you're able to make a living out of it. You're able to heal others and give back to others with your gift. It's something that it's just going to click within you, something that you know is meant for you. So now you're really, with the Four of Swords and the mirror energy, again, reflecting on your life, on your past, seeing how far you've come, all right, learning the lessons so you can see clearer, so you can move forward with clarity and victory. Okay, so put that mirror, do that inner child healing also here with this little star here, so you can be very well balanced and at peace. Okay, make peace with your past, with your inner child. You're leveling up. You're becoming awake now. You're no longer trapped in a false mindset or belief. Now you are being reborn, the real you, the raw you. Now it's time to be vulnerable and open and compassionate with your gift. All right, so getting out of a bubble, getting out of a safe way of being and feeling, and expanding, growing, being adventurous, curious, all right? Being free. You got to free yourself from what is false and into the truth. Again, you're the leader here. Again, you're going to bond with someone or a community that is like-minded. You're going to have a lot of support here and admiration. So know you're heading towards something big here. And again, is in alignment with your truth, your calling, your heart's desire here. All right. At the bottom of this deck, you have divine justice, burdens, impartiality, karma. Yeah, so you're receiving justice here. You're becoming clear. You're doing what's fair and just for you. Okay? Being honest with yourself, balancing your heart and mind so you can see clearly, so you can see the truth and make the choices with your heart. This is all about karma. Whatever you put out, that's what you're going to receive. But there's clarity now. There's balance. Okay? So being the free spirit that you are. Okay? Loving who you are. Being proud of your gifts, of your unique, beautiful gifts. There has to be acceptance here. You have to be true with yourself. Be very sincere. All right? With your gift and what you're doing here. Very important. All right. You also have the medicine woman. Heal. I nurture and nourish my mind, body, and soul. Yeah, you're going to heal many people. You are the medicine woman. If you didn't know, now you know. There's power. There's a great ability within you. Your intuition, extremely sharp. You are a spiritual being. And so now it's time for you to really transform. You have the lost star, rebirth, out of the darkness into the light. Exactly. You're coming out of the darkness and now you're seeing the reality of your truth. The truth about life. Your truth in how to manifest your abilities and use it to help humanity. It's beautiful, very powerful. All right. Also, you have the Chariot. So again, balance, control, taking back your power, listening to your intuition, your heart is leading you where you need to go. Follow your North Star. Follow your growth. It's time for growth, for leveling up, for new adventure here. There's a shift, a change, a new journey here that is extremely victorious. And look at that. Under that you have the sun. It's taking you towards what you were meant to do here. Bringing joy, success, happiness, fulfillment in all ways possible. You being front and center, being very well known for what you do, shining bright for others. A lot of decisions here that you need to make, but if you remain balanced and center your heart and mind, you're going to make the right decisions here with your heart, okay? With your truth. All right, Sagittarius, I'm going to pull another message for you. I want to thank you once again for joining me today. Thank you for all of your love and support. I really do appreciate it with all of my heart, Sagittarius. Thank you. All right. Okay, overall guidance, please, and messages. For the sign of Sagittarius, please, sun, moon, and rising. Ooh, okay. Alrighty. So you got charoite. I hope I'm saying that right. The gemstone charoite. Are you finding that life is out of control? Do you need to sort out exactly what's going on to get to the reason for the chaos? Take the time to go within and call on the ascended masters, spirit guides, and angels to provide you with the inspiration you need to transform your life. So if you're feeling a bit lost or out of control, you know, you feel like you're in the middle of chaos or something, like confused, really, again, you have all the tools within you that you need to gain clarity and to develop what you desire, okay? So really taking the time to call in your ascended masters, your spirit guides, your angels, all right, to give you the inspiration you need and to help you throughout this transition, because it's new, okay? It's new to you. You have a lot to learn. and it's a bit confusing at times, but if you remain focused and steady on this new path, you're going to master it, okay? Affirmations in the back of this card is Archangel Raziel. I have a deep understanding of myself and the circles of life around me. I am aligned with the divine. I am profoundly clairvoyant and extremely intuitive. I clearly comprehend the details of everything that is set before me. I feel peacefully empowered. Exactly. Confirmation of what I've been saying here in this reading. You are extremely intuitive. You are divinely guided and protected, Sagittarius, throughout this beautiful new world of yours. Okay? You're awakening your truth. So everything is becoming clear to you as you go. Trust in the process, okay? Believe in yourself. Feel peaceful within. Feel at ease. Work through the fear and the anxiety, the unknown. You're going towards your growth, all right? You're developing it. Little by little, you're mastering it, all right? So don't doubt it. At the bottom here of the deck, you have Malachite. What pattern in your life do you keep repeating? Walk the inner lady labyrinth, and find the higher spiritual purpose for your challenges and lessons. Discover and release the patterns that no longer serve you. Look for the emerging patterns of joy, harmony, and inner peace. Move forward in your evolutionary spiritual upward. Yeah. Again, really finding your balance, your truth, embracing your emotions, okay? Learning from the past, reflecting, like I said. Keep going, keep trying until you perfect whatever this is, okay? Don't give up. You're not a quitter. You're a fighter. You're a warrior, okay? So any challenges that come your way, you're going to be able to persevere. You're going to be able to grow from it. You're going to be able to learn the lessons. The challenges that come your way is making you better. So don't ever give up. Continue to stay focused. There's a lot coming towards you. A lot of joy and harmony is required. And inner peace is required, okay? Affirmations, Archangel Raphael. I find balance within. I feel my feelings and embrace my emotions. Love swirls into my life. I recognize repetitive patterns. I choose patterns of love, compassion, and kindness. I focus on my heart center. I treasure the lessons I learn through being in relationships with others. Beautiful. So again, there's a huge purpose for you here. New relationships, new partnerships, a new community here that is very supportive and loving. And so there's a lot to look forward to here, Sagittarius. You are heading towards your truth. So be patient with yourself, be kind with yourself, be loving. And everything is going to work out in divine timing. Trust it, okay? All right, Sagittarius, I am extremely grateful to communicate these messages to you today. I do hope they resonate with you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to hit the subscribe button to join the channel. That would be so greatly appreciated. And you guys, if you would like a personal reading personalized just for you, all the information is in the description box below. I would love to do that for you. Please go check out that information. And again, thank you all so very much for your love and support. I'm sending you back that love in return. Till next time, Sagittarius. Blessings, love, and light. Bye-bye.